OpenAI just launched an ads manager for ChatGPT. And the moment it came out, we set up a campaign at my agency and started running ads. And I was so excited for this because over the last year, we've generated over 10,000 organic website visitors from ChatGPT alone. So when they opened up paid ads, I ran to my computer to test it out because I run a social media marketing agency. And over the last 12 months, we've made over $5 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you what ChatGPT ads are, how to set up a campaign from scratch, my real results after 14 days, and the new offer I'm building around this for my agency. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, what are ChatGPT ads and why this matters? So OpenAI launched a self-serve ads manager at ads.openai.com. It's still in beta, but any US business can sign up and start running ads inside ChatGPT. Here's how it works. When someone is using ChatGPT and they're having a conversation about a topic related to your business, your ad can show up right below the AI's response. It's labeled sponsored and it includes your headline, a short description, an image, and a link to your website. Think of it like a Google ad, but instead of showing up in search results, it shows up inside a conversation. Now here's why this matters. First, ChatGPT has over 800 million users. That's a massive audience that most businesses haven't even thought about advertising to yet. Second, the people seeing these ads are doing research. They're not scrolling through a feed. They're actively asking questions about services, comparing options, and looking for solutions. That means the leads tend to convert stronger than something like Instagram or Facebook traffic. Third, a lot of business owners are looking for an alternative to Google Ads. Google Ads are expensive. In a lot of industries, you're paying $15 per click, sometimes even more. ChatGPT ads are way cheaper right now because it's still early and there's less competition. And fourth, this is an immediate differentiator. Millions of businesses have heard of ChatGPT, but they don't know the best way to use it. When you tell a business owner they can run ChatGPT ads, that's something they didn't know was possible and something they can get excited about. But if they don't want to pay for ads yet, you can still try to help them rank organically. I actually made a video about how I get clients without cold calling or ads. I'll link that in the description if you want to check it out. But for right now, let me show you how to actually set this up. Chapter 2, how to set up a campaign. All right, so the first thing you need to do is go to ads.openai.com and sign up for an account. You'll need to verify your business and go through an identity check. That process took us about 2 to 3 business days to get approved. Once you're approved, you'll see the Ads Manager dashboard. It's got a clean layout. On the left, you've got campaigns, tools, billing, and settings. If you've ever used Google Ads or Facebook ads, this will feel familiar. Now let me walk you through creating a campaign. Click Create in the top right and select New Campaign. The first thing you'll set is your campaign name and your objective. Right now, the main option is clicks, which means you're optimizing for people to click through to your website. Next, you pick your location. We set ours to United States. Then you set your budget. You can do a daily budget or a campaign total. We set ours to $5 a day to start. Then you set your start date and optionally an end date. We left ours open so it would just keep running. Now here's the next step, and this is the part that's different from Google Ads. Instead of picking keywords, you set something called context hints. This is where you describe in plain language the kind of conversations where your ad should show up. So for us, we wrote something like, people having conversations about how to find a marketing agency for their dentistry business. They may search dentist marketing. You also set your maximum CPC bid. We put ours at $3.50. The platform shows you a delivery strength indicator, and at $3.50, it showed strong delivery. Then you set your website URL and create your actual ad. You give it a headline, a short description, and upload a square image. There's a live preview on the right side so you can see exactly how it'll look inside ChatGPT. Once you review everything, you hit publish and the campaign goes live. Now there's one more thing I want to show you. You can also set up conversion tracking so you can see if your clicks actually turn into leads. You go to tools, then conversions. First, you create a data source, which is basically telling OpenAI where your website is. Then you switch to the conversion events tab and create an event. We called ours new lead and set the base event to lead_created. You pick your data source and set a conversion window. Right now, the only option is 30 days. Once that's set up, you'll need to install their pixel on your website, which is similar to a Facebook pixel or a Google tag. That's what tracks whether someone who clicked your ad actually became a lead. Chapter 3, my results after 14 days and my honest first impressions. All right, so here's where it gets real. I've been running this campaign since May 20th and today is June 2nd. So that's about 14 days. And we've been spending $5 a day. Let me walk you through the results, starting with the positive. For $70 in total ad spend so far, we got 37 clicks at an average cost per click of $1.89. That's insane. If I were running Google ads for the same search queries, I'd be paying closer to $15 per click. At $1.89 per click, the math is definitely there if we can get these ads to convert. But that's kind of where the positive ends. Next, let's talk about the problems we faced so far. And I want to be completely honest about the cons because there are a few. The first thing is the cost per impression is still pretty high. We're looking at about $24.46 per 1,000 impressions. Now that works right now because our click-through rate is sitting at 1.29%, which is actually solid for this platform. But it means you need a strong ad to make the economics work. The next con is the budgeting. When I first set this up, I was able to do $5 a day. But when I tried to create a new campaign, the minimum daily budget was $25. So it seems like they're pushing advertisers to spend more. You kind of have to go all in or not do it at all. Another thing is retargeting isn't available yet. I was hoping to retarget people who visited our website whenever they go back to ChatGPT and search for something related to marketing, but that feature doesn't exist right now. Now, they've said it's coming later this year, but it's not here yet. And my last and biggest con is the analytics. When I run Google ads, I can see exactly what search query someone typed and what keyword triggered my ad. With ChatGPT ads, I can't see any of that. All I get are the high-level numbers: impressions, clicks, spend, CTR. I have no idea what people are actually asking ChatGPT when they see my ad. And right now we're seeing 0 conversions. So without being able to see what's driving the clicks, it's hard to optimize. But here's the thing, all of this is still in beta and the costs right now are significantly cheaper than Google ads. So we're going to keep running this until the math breaks, because right now $1.89 per click for agency searches is a deal that I don't think is going to last. Chapter 4, my new offer. All right, so here's what we're doing with this at the agency level. We're going to start introducing ChatGPT ads as a new service to our existing clients first. These are clients we've already built up trust with. We're going to offer the first 30 days for free so we can test, learn, and build up some case studies. After that, we'll charge $650 a month for ongoing management. We're starting with existing clients because it also gives us time to get their accounts accepted into the beta program. The approval process takes a few days and not every business category is eligible yet. Once we've got a few clients running and some real results to show, we're going to start pitching this to our prospects. Our goal is to have a full ChatGPT ad service ready to sell by the start of Q3, which is July. And here's why I'm excited about this. Ads management is a service that business owners already understand. They're already paying for Google ads or Facebook ads. So when you tell them there's a new platform with cheaper clicks and less competition, it's an easy conversation. You're not trying to explain some new concept. You're just offering them a better deal on something they already do. Chapter 5. How to get clients for service. All right, so if you want to start selling this, here's how I go about it. The easiest way is to target businesses who are already running Google ads. You can literally see this. Go to Google, search for a local service like Dentist Near Me or Plumber Atlanta, and look at the ads that show up. Those businesses are already paying for clicks. They understand paid advertising. All you have to do is reach out and say, hey, I noticed you're running Google ads. Did you know you can also run ads inside ChatGPT for a fraction of the cost? That's a conversation starter that nobody else is using right now because most agencies are too busy with their existing services to launch something new. That's your window. Now, you can also build a prospect list using Ask AI inside Go High Level. Let me show you what I mean. I typed one prompt and told it to find 25 dental practices in Atlanta that are currently running Google ads. It went out, did the research, checked Google Search, Google Maps, and the Ads Transparency Center, and came back with a full table. Every business has a name, website, phone number, and email. It even shows the ad evidence, like appears in sponsored Google search for Dentist Buckhead, so I know exactly how they're advertising. It pulled 25 practices, excluded the big chains, broke them down by neighborhood, and gave me an outreach tip at the bottom. That's a full prospect list built in minutes. By the way, Go High Level is the platform we use to manage our entire agency and all of our clients. Ask AI is built right into it. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI Business Blueprint course for free. Now, coming up next, I've got a brand new Go High Level tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.